Hello, I'm Patrick Jameson, and in this video, we're going to install our assembled unit into the opening. Before we can dry fit our door, we need to install the box frame adapter. This is the exterior, this is the interior side. We'll set this side onto the Z-bar frame, and then we'll snap this side in. Now it's time to dry fit your door. Once dry fitted, apply sealant to the inside perimeter of your opening. For best practices, apply additional bead of sealant on the bottom underneath your threshold. The sealant's been applied, we can now lift the door into the opening. We've now set our door into the opening, and we want to begin ensuring the door stays true, level, square, and plumb. We'll use shims to keep the frame from not moving, and we'll start adding fasteners one at a time and keeping the reveal as well as the frame square, level, true, and plumb. Remember, you're going to have fasteners going through the hinges. Ensure that you use shims to prevent the jambs from bowing. I'm starting to install my main frame. I'm starting up here in the top right corner, and then I'll work in the bottom left corner and then the top left corner. I'm going to use shims at every fastener location, and especially behind the hinges, to keep the frame square, level, true, and plumb. As I continue adding my fasteners, I'm going to look on the interior and exterior reveals. I want to ensure my reveals stay even all the way around. For best practices, drill through your pre-punched holes of your threshold and get all that wood or concrete dust out. Fill the cavity with sealant. You can even run your fastener through the tube of sealant and then anchor your threshold down. Then top off the head of the fastener with sealant. During installation, you're going to want to prevent the inactive slab from opening. And the way you do that is with your throw bolts that you have one here in the top, one at the bottom, and they're going to throw a pin that gets inserted into the header of your main frame. So we'll close our door, we'll drill a hole, and prevent the inactive slab from opening. I've now drilled the hole through the header for my throw bolt to be inserted into. I'm going to follow the same process at the bottom of the slab now. At this time, it would be a good idea to install the handle set. This is going to allow you to check the operation of the door and to ensure that it locks into the inactive door. I'm going to start with the plunger. Make sure you have the plunger facing the right way. And you'll use the provided screws in the hardware box. Now we can go ahead and install our knob onto our slab. Here's our exterior, here's our interior. I've tightened the screws. I can now put the rest of the covers on. I've now finished installing the door. My frame is square, level, true, and plumb, and my reveals are even all the way around. I'm going to apply a bead of sealant to the outside perimeter of the main frame. To recap, we've installed our door in a square, level, true, and plumb fashion, and installed the handle set. In the next video, we're going to complete all the finishing touches.